Okay, so this is my washing machine. Yeah, it's a Curio hot point with 6 minutes on the spin. Here's all the options: standard, specials, and then extras. Now, look at this. If I put my hand against it, or just my finger, for example, you might see it shaking. This is around my kitchen. The dryer's in there. You'll be able to see the amount of shaking. So it is just going. It is going crazy. So if I hold this button down for 3 seconds, it'll turn off. That button, the power button, yeah, if I hold that for 3 seconds, it'll turn off. No, I'm gonna do it. Look at the camera. You know what? 3, 2, 1. You can see the drum just having a shakedown. Look at that seal. This is having a jig. And you might be surprised on the amount of room. Look at the amount of room inside the drum. Very any. Well, you see that your keys down? When you hear a buzz, that means its feet are open. And the little trick is to leave your washing machine door slightly open, just to make sure it can, dry, or let me show you what I mean on my Yeah, so this is like my New York Zoom area, kind of. Jesus. Hold on. Control. I think I might not be able to show you. Oh, I found my controllers. How dumb am I? They're right over there. You can't see for there? They're right there. And I normally use the blue one for a very important reason. Not because I'm just wearing blue and there's a blue controller. And let's get to it. Okay, pick that up. Ugh. Oh, by the way, look at how foggy it is. And it snowed. I'm gonna try my best to zip the camera through. Look at the I guess the camera can't even pick it up after all. It's. Oh. Where was it? Cute butts. That's just from one shell, by the way. Whoa! You have gotta be kidding me! No. A secret tape. What if tomorrow never came? What if the day never ended? Yeah, it's people like flipping cats off. Look, she's gonna put a middle finger again. The cat jumps right at it, but then this white cat just goes right there, and then, but then the second time he goes for her knees. No. The third time is when he goes for his knees. He bites right at it.
What are you gonna do about it?
Yeah, look at this.
What you do?
He jumped right at it.
What you got a problem?
But you've got a problem, Wussy. Pussy wussy. Yeah, try not to. Oh! Harris cat. What the flip is that? Oh! 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 I can't help it. Oh, I'd love to see you try to guess this thing. Okay, and there we boom! It's just cute. Placing a pickle right behind the cat. Phone's hard to keep in hold. Oh no. It's that's how it is. Even P100 filters couldn't help you from that. Wait, side punctuation. Oh, and the tap and the wall tap and everything. Just by the way, this is Fortune Island's trailer. Just don't be mad or don't be scared. Look at that. There's a drift road as well, which is absolutely long. It's also a drift zone which you have to score 200k points. But the event of Lord J is if you just grind out. But the one I'm stuck on is I think you guessed it by now, is the